Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. Today I'm here with another new video in which I will tell you about if you are having any issue regarding your ear speaker or your calling speaker, how you can solve it. But firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the video. If your ear speaker or your calling speaker is not working, you can solve it by the way as I am showing in the video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video so you can understand about your ear speaker problem in your device Redmi Note 11s. Let's watch the video.